We visited Sapa and this is our hotel. The name is Sapa Retreat Condotel. Ang simple lang ng hotel namin pero you will be amazed on how light and pretty it is sa loob. Why we booked it? First, it is just few minutes walk from Sun Plaza Sapa Station which will take you to Fansipan. Second, pasok sa budget. And third is the view. Pahabol guys, fourth is free breakfast siya sa buong stay namin. And yung free breakfast na yun guys, sobrang susuditin niyo talaga kasi ayaw niyo magutom the whole day and para makatipid. So na-realize ko lang na wala pala akong footage ng living area so nasa bathroom na agad tayo. So for context guys, 10 kami na pumunta ng Sapa. So inside our unit, meron kaming 5 bedrooms. So very spacious talaga siya guys. And 4 doon may sarili silang CR or bathroom. And this is the first bedroom. Look at that view guys. Sobrang sulit talaga ng hotel na to. Kung sa inyo i-book nyo na yan, check nyo yung details sa last part ng video. Imagine waking up to this kind of view every day. Grabe.